Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege using an easy method. To begin, select operators with simple abilities, like Sledge or Rook, to understand core mechanics without complexity. Familiarize yourself with basic map layouts and common objective sites. Always prioritize clear communication with your team, even if it's just calling out enemy locations. Consistent practice in training modes will significantly improve your aiming and movement skills, setting a strong foundation for success. When attacking, start by picking an entry operator such as Sledge or Ash, who can quickly open up pathways. Before rushing in, always deploy your drone to gather crucial intelligence on enemy positions and traps. Look for opportunities to breach soft walls or floors, creating unexpected lines of sight. Remember, Rainbow Six Siege is a team game. Stay close to your squad, coordinate your pushes, and work together to secure the objective. This approach maximizes your chances of success. On defense, begin by choosing a supportive operator like Rook or Doc, who can bolster your team's survivability. Your first priority should be reinforcing two key walls around the objective to deny attackers easy access. Strategically place your unique gadgets to either slow down the enemy push or provide early warnings of their approach. Maintain strong defensive positions, holding tight angles, and continuously communicate any enemy sightings to your teammates. Teamwork is vital for a successful defense. To truly master Rainbow Six Siege, consistent practice is key. Start by playing the Situations mode, which offers excellent tutorials for core game mechanics. Don't be afraid to experiment with various operators to discover those that best suit your playstyle. Watching professional gameplay or educational videos can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and map knowledge. Remember to focus on improving one skill at a time, whether it's aiming accuracy or understanding map layouts, for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.